My thoughts, my beliefs, my response, my characteristics, my characteristic are important to me. I value about them a lot. I believe that they are invaluable. They are everything for me. Like I respect about them. I respect how I used to think, how I see the world, how I respond to everything. My pressure is on what my statements are. I would like to put pressure on this thing that my statements are so valuable to me. What I speak are so valuable to me. I believe they are so precious. What my thoughts, my statements, what I spoke to people, they are so precious and not everyone deserve it. So most of the time, since 3 or 4 months, I used to keep silence most of the time. I used to keep silent in a lot of situations because there I know that this guy is not worthy of my thoughts, worthy of my response. So I used to keep quiet in that specific situation. Today I was thinking about that how silence potentially helps us, how silence is most powerful weapon. Is it most powerful weapon, or this is or it's just a saying in here? So I would like to dive into this topic and want to give my response, want to give my thoughts about this topic. Silence. Okay, let's start with the benefits of silence. When I used to stay silent, when I used to stay silent, doesn't speak anything, just my surroundings is speaking, the stimuli around me speaking, maybe whatever they are speaking, I don't know. So, okay, sorry. I would like to take those words back. I would like to take this statement back. Like in my surroundings, whatever people speaking, I I am in silent mode. I'm not speaking anything, and this happens with me most of the times nowadays. Like I used to speak a lot with my buddies, with my loved ones, maybe Gautam, Shivam, Aditya, maybe my friend Keshav, Soham, and all those guys. Not with everyone I used to speak. Like I don't know, maybe this is the coping mechanism that my brain developed to face the environment, to handle the situation, to handle my surroundings. Like, whenever there's a guy to whom I am not interested in, to whom I don't believe, there's a guy who I believe is not anything to me, who I believe is okay, I would not say useless, who I believe that he or she will not going to add but a single amount of value in my life. So I used to keep silent in that situation. They used to speak whatever they want, they used to vomit whatever words they want, but I used to stay quiet. This first and most important thing, this shows my confidence toward them. Maybe I haven't responded with a single word, but still, my response, my reply, I believe, was most powerful in that conversation, was most strong in that conversation. So that's the thing. If I proceed further, you know, if I don't speak anything now, it does not going to bring crisis. It does not lead to any kind of crisis, but a lot of benefits. Like when I keep silent, so I got to know more about the personality in front of me. And yeah, one more thing, like if there's a guy, maybe I don't know that it's this is true or not, but if this happens, so I would like to clarify in advance. Like there's a guy who keeps silence, who keep silent in in a specific situation, but thinking a lot in his mind. So that's not the key of silence. That's not the he's not following the right way of right way of keep silent. Silent keeping silent in my belief is the thing, like there's someone speaking, you are observing what he is speaking, you are getting what he's speaking, you're focusing on him but not speaking by your own. That's what the silent meaning of silence, not thinking uh, in your brain. Okay. So when you keep silent now, you got to know more about the personality. You got to know, your focus got increased, your focus got increased. Yeah, you start focusing on details that you previously was not doing. And trust me, not speaking anything, not speaking a single word will not going to bring any crisis to you. That's the thing. I will pray to God, I will pray to God that this thing will stay throughout my uh, I pray to God this thing, that this thing should stay with me in future also throughout my whole life. Like I've got this. This is a kind of equipment. When I am having when there's a guy, that one whom I believe that he will not going to add any value to my life. He is. I'm not saying he's wrong. Maybe he is a wonderful person for rest of the world, but for me, he'll not going to add a pet of value. For me, he's basically useless. So if that person's speaking anything, and I've just kept quiet, like with a strong face expression, like with a closed lips, and like I don't know how should I show that expression here. Maybe like this. So that expression, what I was saying, yeah, yeah. So, I felt it, and that's what I'm telling. Like, he is speaking blah, 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 whatever he's speaking, but I'm not speaking a single word, but still I can feel that my reply is way, way more powerful than whatever blah, blah, blah he's speaking. And what are the other benefits that silence we get from silence? You get more opportunity to learn. Hmm. Yesterday we enjoyed a lot. Like maybe uh, bit part of my character. Like, okay, 30% of my character maybe I was playing, but 70% it was due to that fear. uh, I I did a lot of fun. I was like became a mad person. I was so sleeping on the marbles. I I was expressing, like, I got this opportunity, and I was drunk. I was in bit of my consciousness. So I was in bit of my consciousness, and what I was doing now, I was expressing my surpassed thoughts in front of people to whom I want, because I know that people knew I'm drunk and I'm speaking anything. So I've got that opportunity. I've enjoyed a very precious time with Ashish Bhaiya, Deshu Bhaiya, Deshu Darling, and Suresh Bhaiya. It was a wonderful night, like the previous night. It was splendid. I have enjoyed it a lot. Like, these kinds of nights are, I don't know about people, I don't know about rest of the world, but are pivotal to me. Like, I want these two or three guys with me. Maybe my friends, Gotham, not maybe, or my friends Gotham, Shivam, and these guys, and me, and just one bottle of beer, and let's dive. Let's let's take a deep dive. That's the thing. We've enjoyed a lot. Like, uh, let me uh, try to recall what happened. I in starting, the effect was not that much, but later when we slowly proceeded, it became, I became affected, and I was in nasha. And then I was laying down on the roof marble. I was expressing how much I love Deshraj, Deshu Darling, how much I love Ashish, how much I love Suresh Bhaiya. All that stuff I was explaining. All that, all those things I was expressing. I was saying how uh, maybe I could earn, how maybe in future I will earn 20,000, or maybe I'll earn 1 lakh rupees. I'll always with my brothers, whenever they need me, I will always be there. I'll always be there. That's all the things I was expressing. Then we were having cakes, we were having namkeens, we were having other snacks, not snake, snacks. We were having snacks. Then we uh, went down. We went down on the, like, on the first floor, and I just laid down. Then we went on the ground floor. We had dal bati. Uh, I was there also. I was, was totally in nasha and doing totally mad things. Then we came on the yeah. Then we came for at first floor. I uh, played Baddali Aage Zameen Pe. I enjoyed it a lot. So that's what the thing. Yesterday was wonderful. I pray to God that these kinds of days come at least once in a week, or at least once in 2 weeks.